Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So the Mseleku clan and children keeps on making Musa Mseleku so proud of their achievements, you guys, from Musa and Mayeni's firstborn son Onompumelelo, who is now a successful business owner, to now Mayeni and Musa's adorable little son Mnini, who has made them so proud. The young and budding agriculturist has now won some awards at his school at such a young and tender age, you guys, making his father and mom Umayini so proud. So Musa Mseleku shared the news. He went onto his Instagram and shared that Mnini's beautiful moment and said this. He wrote, "Hi, my name is Mnini Musa Banele Bonke Mseleku, our next future leader." Now, there you have it, you guys. Please do let me know what you think in the comment section below. And also subscribe if you have not yet done so. And also, congratulations to Mayeni and Musa Mseleku. You guys, I will definitely see you on my next upload. Bye.